Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're going to be going over how to switch from Bash shell to ZSH. So, as I normally say, please check out the description. In the description we go over how to get the Oh My ZSH framework working, add some little tweaks and like themes and tweaks and plugins to ZSH makes it even better. In the video here we're just going to go over changing the shell. So to change a shell, you first need to install the shell, because if I run ZSH right now, it's not installed, but of course I can just do sudo apt install ZSH. And I should say, if you check the description below, we have links to all of these. So we have links to all of the instructions for all of the operating systems that use ZSH. We even have links for the non-traditional ones. We have the guide for Oh My ZSH and all of that. But now that you have the shell open, you can run ZSH like normal. Now this is going to show you a configuration feature. It'll show you exactly what to do and how to use it. So to start off, you're going to need to read the menu and click the 1 button. So now from here we can go through and we can look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of these options here. So really you should only need to configure 1 and 2. So let's start with 1. So 1, let's press 1, enter, press 2, enter, 3, enter, 0, and we can go to 2, 1, and that'll just turn on the default options. From here, we can look at the other settings here, the configure how keys behave and all of this, if we really wanted to. This is a basic setup for average users though, so this is not something that really needs to be done. We can just set it up like the default settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip 3 and 4, and I'm going to press 0, and that will save it. So we're in ZSH, and if I do echo $shell, it says that my default shell has been /bash. I'm in ZSH, but my user isn't using the right shell. So what I need to do is I need to do chsh-s bin ZSH and then my user, which is Derek. Enter my password, and then I can do the echo shell again. And of course, if you do this, you can change the shell right away. But the thing is because if I ran the echo shell again, just to show you that it hasn't changed, and that is because I have to restart my machine. What you should also do though is change the shell for the root user, and this will make it so that you have ZSH no matter where you are, whether you're in your username or you're in the root account. Because like we're in ZSH right now, but if I log into root with sudo s, I'm now in bash again, and then I exit and I'm back in ZSH, and that's confusing. So to fix this, get root, and then just do the same thing, chsh-s bin zsh, and then root. And then from here, we need to reboot the computer, because our settings are not going to be fully applied until we restart the machine. You could log out and log back in, but that doesn't really help anybody. I mean, at least for this video, it's better to just reboot, in my opinion. Let me log back in, and we will open up our terminal and we will check out and see the default shell has now changed. As you can see, I have not started up as the bash shell, and if I do echo shell, I'm using ZSH. And now I haven't really talked much about ZSH and what makes it great, so let's just look over the config file. Anyways guys, just a quick little setup on how to use ZSH. This is a custom setup. There's not a whole lot going on in here, but if you're interested in making the shell a little bit better than what it comes with default settings, you should definitely check out our description, click on the article, and learn about how to set up ZSH, the Oh My ZSH framework, because it makes it even better, and it has things like better autocomplete and command suggestions, themes, and whatnot. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.